How's it going, boys? I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be installing my back weld and Mickey Thompson's on my 24 Mustang GT Premium. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, enjoy, guys. Alright, boys, we're over here at Discount Tire, getting ready to go ahead and mount on the Mickey Thompson's and the welds. Make sure to show you guys when it's done. And like I said, I did order the front welds as well, but they got back ordered, so you know, I figured I'll just go ahead and throw on the backs for now. I figured I'll let you guys know as well. I also ordered the RTR front splitter and the RTR side skirts, so you know, everything should come along pretty good. So yeah, I'll make sure to let you guys know and keep you guys updated. Shout out to Discount Tire, by the way. Got they cleaned up, getting ready to put the welds on. Look at that big old tire. Show you guys how it looks like when it's done.